In this video, we will learn 8th Science, chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. In the chapter, we will learn what is pressure, what is its unit, how the area of the surface on which the force is applied matters. All these points we will learn through different activities. Students, you know that what is force? What are the things that can be done by applying force? So, when a force is applied to an object, the effect produced on that object depends on the area of the surface on which the force is acting. To understand this in details, let's see one activity. Take a nail which has flat head and a pointed end or the tip at the other end. When you hammer an iron nail, you applied force on a flat surface like this. The pointed side of the nail, which is in contact with the wall, then applies the force on the wall and tries to pierce it. Now, let me ask you an interesting question. What will happen if you hammer pointed side and try to pierce the flat side of the nail? You will find it difficult to push the flat face of the nail through the wall even if you apply more force than you did in the first case. What is the reason for this? The reason is that pressure applied by the tip of the nail on the wall is more than the pressure applied by the nails on flat surface. But the question is why? First, notice area of the tip of the nail is very less as compared to the area of its flat surface. This tells us the area of the surface on which the force is applied matters. We will understand this in detail, but before that, first let us define what is pressure. The force exerted perpendicularly on a unit area is called pressure. Pressure is the ratio of force upon area on which the force is applied. Unit of pressure. The SI unit of force is Newton. Area is measured in meter square. Therefore, the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. It is known as Pascal. It is given this name to honor the achievements of a French scientist named Blaise Pascal for his contribution in hydrostatistics and hydrodynamics. In atmospheric science, the unit of pressure is bar. 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Why does it happen? Vegetables can easily be cut with a sharp knife. You can easily cut the vegetables using the cutting edge of the knife. But if you use the blunt edge of the knife, it will be difficult to penetrate it in. What is the reason in this case? Well, in the first sight, the two edges might look the same to us. But if you look at them carefully, the cutting edge has a small triangle-like shape which has sharp points. The other edge has nothing of this. So, if you cut the vegetables with the cutting edge, the area of contact between the vegetables and the knife is greatly reduced, and hence more pressure is applied in vegetables using cutting edge of the knife. So, what we understood from this? If area increases, pressure reduces for the same force, and if the area decreases, the pressure increases for the same force.